Hello, Virgos. Welcome back. Thank you so much for your love and support of my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I hope I can provide you with what you're looking for. Some food for thought, hopefully, on the situation. I have all my information in order for you to contact me if needed in the description box below. I'm doing a general reading. It's not going to resonate with every Virgo out there, but take what does resonate and leave the rest for somebody else. Let's go ahead and get started. Virgo. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guide, and Angels, show me clearly most high message for Virgos, please. Most high message for Virgos. All right, at the bottom of the deck, we have love, okay? And we have sadness, number 5, okay? Love, number 28, that's also a 10. Sadness could be a little difficult for you right now, Virgos. With this deck, if you've been in my readings before, you know I like to go directly from the book for the messages. But let's go ahead and see what we have here. All right. Sadness. When you can truly allow yourself to cry and feel sorrow over the loss of a loved one, a lost opportunity, a broken heart, or a friendship that's ended, you cleanse your soul and allow your heart to heal. Crying and feeling vulnerable can be a sign of strength, which demonstrates your connection to your body. To admit weakness can allow you to know yourself, embrace your limitations, and evolve. Be willing to let go of cold walls of protection you have created, which make you feel empty and sick. You don't need to get lost in your emotions. Just give yourself time to feel them. Let them move through your whole being, cleansing and purifying your heart, body, and soul. All right. So definitely working on tearing down those walls. There's different ways to handle things, Virgo. All right, we have love here, okay? Your heart desires more connection, love, and nourishment. You are at a point in your life where you need to learn how to truly give and receive love. Fully opening your heart will awaken your vulnerability, sensitivity, and fear. In particular, your fear of rejection and intimacy with another person. However, you will also unleash your passion, inspiration, greatness, and an ability to care deeply. Start seeing how great life is and be willing to connect to others. If you have been holding on to past pain, then it is time to acknowledge, feel, and move forward. Give yourself permission to let people in. Ask for love with all your heart and soul, and it will come. Look for something beautiful in every person you encounter. Focus on feeling good whenever you see people loving each other, and know that this is coming to you in the form of a love of a lifetime or an incredible friendship. Okay, see what I mean? Great messages come from these cards. I like to just leave those as said. The author, Ina Segal, did it beautifully, all on their own. All right. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, show me clearly most high message for Virgos, please. Most high message for Virgos. Show me clearly. Virgo. What is it that my Virgos need to know? Okay, thank you. At the bottom of the deck, we have great gratitude. Okay, this is being grateful for the littlest of things in life, okay? For the roof over your head, for the ability to turn on the lights or put food in your belly, listening to the birds sing. Start out small. It doesn't have to be grand, okay? But the more you start being grateful for with the little things, more bigger things are presented to you to be grateful for. So acknowledge them, okay? Be grateful for the people in your life, all right? Virgo, we have fragmented energy. This is the energy of somebody who does for everyone else and gets little in return, especially drawn to the missing piece over the heart area. Okay. I get the feeling, Virgo, that you just give and give to people. You have difficulty setting boundaries with people and letting them know that I'm too tired, I can't do this. I have plans, I can't do this then. You know, really setting the boundaries here. You're pretty tired, Virgo. With this energy also is, it tells me that you are getting sleep. You could be a little depressed in your energy level, not feeling as perky and awake as normal. It's more tired getting up and forcing yourself through the day. And it is telling me that you need to call, you know, your life is pretty stormy right now, okay? Your life is pretty stormy. You're kind of tossed about all over the place. I need to do this. No, I need to be over here and doing that. Spreading yourself thin, okay? You need to spend some time with yourself really thinking about where you have spent a lot of energy in the past and it didn't come to anything that was beneficial in return for yourself. Okay, so you need to think about those and then call your energy back to you. And it's as simple as just saying that. I call my energy from this past situation back to me. I call the energy that I spent in this situation, I call it back to me. Okay, and you'll notice a difference. It might not be right away, but you'll notice a difference. You have a little bit more energy. You're not as tired as before. Boundaries, they're saying, boundaries. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, show me clearly most high message for Virgo. Most high message for Virgo. Okay. Most high message for Virgo. Show me clearly, please. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels. Thank you. All right. At the bottom of the deck, we have originality. Okay? You're one of a kind, Virgo. Appreciate that about yourself. All right? You don't fit within a box with everyone else. Okay? It says blaze your own trail. You're very creative. The Virgo that I'm connecting with is very creative, has a lot to offer, and, you know, has kind of not fully been wearing a mask, but to a degree, okay? Wearing a self mask, not allowing others to truly see who you are. You're very guarded, okay? Opportunity knocks. Okay, so there could be an opportunity for a new job, there could be an opportunity for a new friendship, or possibly even a love interest here, okay? And it says go for it, all right? A lot of the times you really get stuck in your head, Virgo. I know, imagine that, right? You really get stuck in your head and you overthink things, all right? Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, please show me clearly most high message for Virgo. Most high message for Virgo. I'm also getting listen to yourself. Okay, listen to yourself. Your body is telling you what it needs, whether it's the love and nourishment of a relationship and another person, a close relationship, or whether it's just that you do need to rest. There could be, you know, health benefits coming to you from this. Of course, rest is beautiful and wonderful when we get it, okay? But you might be getting signaled that you truly need it. All right, show me clearly. Most high message for Virgo. Okay, I'm getting a lot about achy joints, things like that. Show me clearly, Virgo. All right. At the bottom of the deck, we have Black Bear. Okay? It's the guardian. Gentle and wise protector. Give me your confidence and power. Help me protect the ones that I love. Awaken my intuition and guide me. Okay? We also have the eagle here. Okay? Mastery. You're very good at something. You have a gift, Virgo. It says you are on a spiritual journey beyond the sky. Let go of the past and soar. You are guided by the winds of spirit. Your wisdom inspires the world. You definitely have something to offer the masses, okay, Virgo? We have bison here too. Sacred bison, the white buffalo. All right? It's abundance. Sacred buffalo, cloak me in your wisdom. Keep me warm through the storms of life. Fill my life with goodness. Teach me the way of gratitude and prayer. All right? Yeah, giving thanks is a really big message for you. Giving thanks for the things that you are achieving, okay? That you have accomplished in life. All right, they did not come easy to you. All right, and you are protected. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, show me clearly most high message for Virgo. Most high message for Virgo. Sorry, just a second. I need to check this. Okay. Show me clearly, Virgo. Most high message for Virgo, please. Show me clearly. All right. Oh, that one wanted to come out too. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, spiritual strength. See, again, this is where I'm getting you are protected, Virgo, okay? It may feel like you are overwhelmed, like the walls are crumbling in upon you. However, your spirit guides are holding them up, okay? You're not getting more than you can handle here, all right? That's the energy that I'm getting, but you are protected. Okay, we have transformation. Okay, this is the death card. This is an ending for a new beginning here. Okay, you are transforming. You are no longer the same Virgo that you were a few months ago or a couple years ago. If you stop and look back at the things that you've been through in life, I think you'd be very surprised. Okay, and you should be very thankful and grateful for the person you are there today. Okay, we have the wisdom card here. Okay, this is gaining the wisdom. There's something involving your home life here. Okay, it could be a lack of a relationship. However, it could also be a struggle to keep things going. I'm getting, but you're not giving up. Your back is turned to the past and you're looking forward to the sun here, okay? You're doing everything you do for the betterment of your family, all right? You're a very good parent is what I'm getting. All right, we have movement, choices, and decisions. You are going to need to take action upon something here soon. Okay, a new beginning could be offered for you. Again, opportunity knocking. It could be for money. It could be for a relationship. but you need to pay attention to it and see how it feels for you. You are intuitive. All right. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, show me clearly recent, past, current, and near future energies for the sign of Virgo, please. Recent, past, current, and near future energies for Virgo. Show me clearly. Sorry, just 1 second here. It appears that my cat has caught a bird. Knock it off, Thumper. Sorry about that. Thumper, that's enough. Okay, my son is going to deal with that. All right. Sorry about that, Virgos. Life happens here for sure. Thumper, that's enough. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, we have the Seven of Cups. Okay, there's options out there for you. You may not be recognizing them. You're not seeing too clearly the things that are around you, the offers that are around you. Okay, I have to get that. That can wait. My son is old enough to deal with it for a minute here until I'm done with you, Virgos. Sorry. Okay, overall energy, the Seven of Swords. Okay, this is a feeling of deception. Okay, treachery. Somebody, again, maybe not showing who they truly are, not sharing their feelings about certain things. Okay. In the recent past, we have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so the Queen of Cups, that's somebody who is very loving, very nurturing, goes with the flow. They're very authentic here, okay? The Queen of Swords, that's a queen who has clear boundaries, okay? A lot of mental clarity and fairness, very independent, this person, okay? These are two people that you could have met. This could be your energy as well, okay? But I'm thinking kind of more the energy of the people that you are involved with, okay? There's this abundance here, this opportunity with the Ace of Pentacles. Somebody offering something long-term or wanting something long-term, okay? In the current energies, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so we have three queens on the board here for you. And this Queen of Pentacles is like a single mom, okay? She gets out there. This, I feel, could be your energy. A single mom, a single parent. It's energy, so it could be male, female, it doesn't matter. I'm just reading the cards, okay? Take it how it resonates for you. But you're very focused on this new ambition, okay, that you're going after here. Something that's going to be stable in that. I see you as the main provider for your family. And that, or for yourself. You don't necessarily have to have children. I kind of think the Virgos I'm connected to do. All right. This here is, they don't give in to things without thinking, okay? They look for the long-term goal in situations. They want those long-term commitments. that sort of thing here. They're very nurturing. Okay. And the Five of Swords, this feeling of defeat here. There's some anger, some resentment that I'm getting currently with this card. Okay. You could have been dealing with these people in the past, and they hurt you. Okay. And you're resentful. You're kind of, pointing the finger, so to speak. I'm not getting this. I'm not getting full accountability here, okay? You could be, you felt used, okay? And there was a lot of time spent in a relationship here currently, and you're like, you're judging the outcome of this with the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, you've been at this for a while. Is this going to work? Is this do I stay or do I go? Do I give up, or I keep trying? That type of thing here. In the near future, we have the Ace of Swords, the Strength card, and the Hanging one. So you're getting clarity here. You're getting a victory of some sort, probably over your thoughts, I'm gathering. We are going to be clarifying these, by the way. I'm just going through here. But you're getting a clarity here. You have the Strength card here. That's fortitude. You're not giving up. You can go on, okay? You have everything within you that you need to stand up for yourself, to stand in your truth. And I think that's where this is coming in. You're doubting yourself, okay? There could be a relationship that you felt, again, that somebody was using you and not being honest about something, about the connection. Okay, and we have the Hanging one. Okay, this is perception. This is getting enlightenment. You may feel, again, with this energy, it's what's taking so long. I should see results by now. Is there something wrong with me? Okay, you're being enlightened here as to why. You feel you're not moving forward, but there's lessons learned in this time. Okay, there's things that you need to be made aware of during this time of this stagnant feeling, and you're getting enlightened to this, okay? Let's see. It's discovering self-worth, too, I'm hearing, next to the Strength card. Heavenly Father, Spirit Guides, and Angels, show me clearly the most high message for Virgo. Help me to clarify the reading before us for Virgo. Recent, past, current, and near future energies for Virgo. Clarify, please. Thank you. All right. Seven of Swords. Why is this here for Virgo? Okay, we have the Hierophant. Okay, the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Cups, with the Knight of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so you felt betrayed. You were with somebody for quite a long time. I'm getting in a marriage or a level of that commitment, okay? You were very happy. You were very much in love, very affectionate during this time. You really thought that this was your happily ever after. And something changed quickly. Something happened. Messages, communication came in, all right? And we have the Hanged Man here. So you became enlightened to a situation. Okay. Yeah, you're not letting go of this. Okay, this is your resentment, your bitterness, your anger. Okay, as regards to this situation here. Queen of Cups. I think it's been a long time with the Seven of Pentacles here, but you're still holding on. You're not really healing. Okay. For the Queen of Cups, we have the Justice, the Nine of Pentacles, and again the Hanged Man here with the Five of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So somebody that you felt was you know, very beautiful, that you deserved this person in your life. The Nine of Pentacles is, you know, pre-Empress energy. This person was all that in a bag of chips in your eyes, okay? And kind of taking your direction. I think the Queen of Cups here, I believe, is your energy in the past. You wanted this. You wanted to offer that love, okay? And I think you tried for a while. You felt very deserving of you, but there's complications arising, okay? There was arguments, not getting along very well, okay? The devil energy was here. It was a very toxic relationship. And we have the Nine of Swords. You really can't stop thinking about this. Seven of Pentacles again at the bottom of the deck. Okay, you really can't stop thinking about this. It's the first thing in the morning to the last thing at night, okay? Queen of Swords. Show me Queen of Swords. Yeah, some messages, some communication coming in here. You know, wanting that fairness. You know, maybe wanting an apology or something. We have the Five of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Somebody's pissed, okay? They felt left out in the cold, all right? After offering something that was very long-term here, you know, very committed. Yeah, this feeling of abandonment, okay? Ace of Pentacles. This could be your energy or their energy. Take it how it resonates. Ace of Pentacles. Show me clearly. Yes, Four of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles with the Ten of Wands at the bottom of the deck. This was quite burdensome, okay? There was a lot of holding back, a lot of indecision. You felt out of balance here in the recent past regarding this new beginning, okay, this new offer here. Okay, you have the Four of Wands, and this is, you know, the 1111 card, okay? This should be a time of celebrations, weddings, this type of thing, but you're holding back. You're holding back. You felt out of balance. This left you feeling very burdened, okay? Wanting an apology, okay? Queen of Pentacles. All right, we have the Knight of Wands. We have the Devil energy again. And we have the Nine of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Devil. Okay, with the Page of Pentacles. I'm seeing kind of a pattern here, all right? You kind of are drawn towards these you have a type, Virgo, okay? And they don't give, you know, I think you go after the very physically beautiful, okay, and not that every physical beautiful person is this way, but I get a feeling of kind of empty inside. They're in it for different reasons. They put themselves first, okay? One thing you could be doing is in that state of fear of abandonment, okay? You could be jumping too quickly instead of letting things just go with the flow, okay? You could be becoming too clingy, or again, this could be their energy towards you. Yeah, you're working long and hard. You know, you feel pretty stable, Virgo, but and pretty independent, but emotionally, you're wanting something fixed here. You have the stamina to continue, okay, to move away from this toxicity, this codependency I'm getting. Yeah, you're giving this a go, working on something perfect to offer. Okay, this could be somebody who you feel kind of unworthy of in a way. Like you need to have more money to get their attention. And you're pissed. You're pissed. You're resentful here. Yeah, you're in your head a lot here. We have the Nine of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Page of Cups. We have the Eight of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. This is long-term trying, working hard to make something perfect. This could be working hard to save up money, you know. There is this could be a little bit of this miser kind of energy back here, but not so much. That's just for a couple of you here. You're working really hard thinking that it's, if you make enough money, then you could pretty much have whatever. Money makes the world go round. Money can buy happiness, that type of thing. That's where you're at mentally here. But somebody's going to come in, this King of Wands. This is a self-made person, okay? This is fire energy. You could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But there's a lot of wands here on the table, but there's a lot of earth sign, which I believe is you, okay? That's Virgo energy. Also Taurus and Capricorn, but yeah, you're kind of almost happily single in a way, or you've been single for so long that when somebody wants to come in, there's this like clinginess, but yet I don't know, you want to jump to commitments and things like that, and there's healing that needs to happen here. That's why I keep getting healing. Okay, mastery of yourself here is needed. Yeah, you think everybody, because of your past experience, you're bringing your baggage forward with you from a past relationship where you were very much in love, okay? Very overflowing, showing yourself, all this energy and that, but there was conflicts, okay? It was toxic, and you feel as though, somebody cheated, somebody, robbed you of something, and you can't get that out of your head, so you justified yourself by being single for quite a while, okay? Single for quite a while, but you've been enlightened that you miss the passion of another person. You miss, that connection here, and you do feel lonely and out in the cold a lot here. You want that new beginning with somebody, but yet you're like really, Scrooging it, okay? You're holding on tight. You're protecting not only your income, but your finances and that, but also your heart. You're very guarded, and you need to find a balance. You're out of balance. Okay, and you've been working hard to save things, okay? You want to offer passion to somebody. This Queen of Pentacles, possibly a single mom. You've been wanting to go after them, but it is a toxic relationship. But yet it's something that you really want. And so you're not giving up. You are determined to get it. It's the first thing in the morning to the last thing at night. This Queen is on your mind. You want to offer this love. Okay, but it's been a long time. Seven of Pentacles. I don't think I think the Queen is off doing her own thing. Okay, you want a commitment, but there's not one yet here. Oops. All right, what came out here? The Moon, the Death card, the Queen of Pentacles again, the Magician, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, so you're manifesting this beginning, this clarity, okay? You want to put an end to the past and restart a new beginning here. And but you're not fully seeing this here. There's some delusion here for you regarding this Queen of Pentacles. But there's a victory here. Maybe you're not seeing this. This could change here. Okay, somebody's pissed. Okay, we have the Empress energy here and the Lover. Okay, again, somebody that you're seeing. Maybe back here when you met this person, she was pre-Empress, that Nine of Pentacles. Now stepping in, there's been things that have happened on their part, okay? Male or female, I'm just reading the cards again. So if I'm looking at a girl on the card, I'm referring it as a girl. It's energy, it doesn't know a sex. So, you know, take it how it resonates. But this person could have had a lot of growth and maturity here themselves, okay? And coming back as this Queen of Pentacles. Okay, because it's very current in your or your current energy. It's very strong. Okay, you're wanting a new beginning. Ace of Swords. Yeah, the Eight of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Seven of Swords with the Eight of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So walking away from something, walking away from this person to you got clarity here. It's the Ace of Swords, and with the Eight of Cups, that's walking away. That's turning your back on the past and looking for your Nine of Cups, which is next, the wish fulfillment here. Okay, we have the Queen of Wands energy, so we have the King and the Queen, possibly somebody that you know, you've known for a while. Okay, but you don't think there's trust. You're having trouble trusting. You're still viewing everybody as, you know, doing you wrong. Potentially can do you wrong. Okay, that's not healing. That's bringing that baggage forward. Okay, and it's progressing here into the Eight of Wands. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling trapped, but that's loosely bound rope. Okay, can easily get out of it if they want. Okay, can easily lift the blindfolds and get the clarity that they need. Okay, and there's judgment here. Okay, the universe is saying you need to do this in order to get your equal give and take here. Okay. Somebody could also be being a little strategic, okay? Planning things out somewhat. Wait till I ask. Okay, show me the Strength card, please. The Strength card. All right, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Six of Wands with the King of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay, King of Cups. Actions speak louder than words with this king. Okay, very compassionate, very loving, very diplomatic, balanced, calm in nature. Okay, with the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords energy, that's somebody that will cut you. Okay, they have mental clarity. They're very clear with their boundaries. They're fair, independent. You get unbiased opinions from them. But they will cut out whoever gets in their way. Okay, they have goals. They're determined. All right, and you've been working hard. You've been working hard for a long time here to perfect something. This new beginning, this new passionate beginning, and I see a victory here. Okay, I see a victory here, celebration. You're being recognized and seen. The Hanging one for Virgo. Four of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the King of Swords. Wow. With the Fool card, you become enlightened. You've done some healing. You're aware of this. You're being recognized. This putting an end to this feeling of complete devastation here. Being stabbed in the back and, you know, a depression here. The King of Swords is here. This is, you know, an advisor, a clarity, truth, okay? You're taking control of your life here. You know what it is that you want here. And there's healing, and you're going to go for it here with the Fool card. You're going to take a leap of faith into the unknown, going out there, putting your heart on the line one more time, And that Temperance is saying, yeah, that you've gotten the balance that you've needed, okay? You want to go out there and show somebody, you know, who it is that you are. Give me one more for the Hanged Man, please. Yeah, you've gone within, Virgo. There's your energy right there. And again, the Strength card. So you have the Hermit and the Strength card with this Page of Wands. All right, you do have the strength to do this. You have spent a lot of time. You are coming out of isolation here. You're going to, you were focused on money, focused on stability, and that, again, I get the energy of a father, okay, or a single parent, period. And you're doing all you can, but it's been burdensome. Okay, you know, maybe your children are grown now and they're on their own, and you can get this fresh start, this new beginning, and find somebody here to share your life with, to have this victory with. Okay, you've been manifesting this for a while, walking away from that past pain. Okay, you want another commitment here, Virgo. You want to be recognized and celebrated. It can also be somebody from your past coming back in a new relationship. But I get the feeling that it's new energy here. But you know this person, so maybe it's seeing them in a new light. Okay, now that you know what you want, you're going after it. Okay, coming in out of that cold feeling that you had back here. All right, refocusing. Yeah, and you can do this. You have the stamina to do it, to offer this passion. Come out of your head. All right? Yeah, you're taking action. All right. Well, Virgos, I hope this resonated with some of you. This is a very good energy here. This is a lot of healing has gone on. Okay? That fragmented energy. Be grateful. You have an opportunity here, and that to handle things differently than you have in the past. Okay? Be cautious of that clingy behavior. Be cautious of bringing your old baggage forward with you, okay? Yeah, putting old baggage onto a new relationship is very unadvisable, okay? It's, you know, it's watching that person to, like a hawk, to do the same things that were done with you or to you in the past. And, you know, so you can cut them out before they hurt you. Hurt them before they hurt you is what I'm getting. Okay, so be cautious of that energy, but this is very good. I definitely see a lot of love, a lot of passion there. You do have options and that, but make sure you check them out clearly. Okay? Look for that balance, that equal give and take. Okay? Not just financially, but in every way, emotionally, and that listen to your body, listen to how you feel about the situations. Okay? All right. Well, again, yes, I hope that resonated. If you did, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If it didn't resonate, try looking at your other Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. They might be a little bit stronger, and you may be finding something more in those messages there. Okay, I hope you got something out of this, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. All right, Virgos, take care. Bye-bye.